Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're opening Translate and getting straight to speaking. Choose the source on left and the target on right, and tap the language to switch. Once done, give the app microphone permission so it records clearly. This improves accuracy. Make sure you set auto-translate if you want continuous translation, and pick the speech voice in a language you recognize. Speak at normal pace and enunciate. This reduces errors. If offline use is needed, download the language packs now so translations work without data. You're now in conversation mode, which shows both languages side by side. Place the phone between speakers for balanced pickup. Tap a side's microphone when you or your partner speak, or turn on auto-translate to alternate automatically. This lets the app detect who's talking. Make sure ambient noise is low and move closer to the microphone for clearer input. If privacy matters, plug in headphones so only you hear the output. Also, use the text transcript beneath to confirm subtle words the voice may miss. You'll finish by reviewing the transcript and tapping listen or copy to share the result. This locks the translation for later. If you plan to travel, download offline language packs ahead of time so speech works without cellular data. If translation seems wrong, reposition the phone toward the speaker, speak the phrase again more slowly, or toggle the language pair to reset detection. And if nothing helps, force close the app and reopen. It often clears temporary audio or recognition glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.